Uh-oh. Where did Jan go? Wait, I hear something. What'd you have to go do, Jan?
Well, I had to get my hat on. And,
Stop. Yeah, she had to put...
You're bouncing the camera.
I know! She had to put a hat on. She actually said, wait, I gotta go put a hat on.
Because I got...
Wait, you're not wearing tie-dye. Want me to shut the camera off?
Yeah.
Okay, are we all good now?
Yes, but the shirt is very cold.
I'm Susan.
And I'm Jan.
And we are?
Our Serenity Homestead.
Yes, we are. And today is the day that we're putting in
Our vent hood.
our vent hood for our stove.
We're going to cut a hole in the Shabin.
So, measure twice.
Measure 14 times.
Yeah. And because the screws on the vent didn't match up with the studs, had to put in
blocks. Had to move the wire. I had it over here poking out that hole. But the vent hood access for the electrical is on the other side. So I had to move it over and then put one of the retaining clips on there so the wire isn't in the way.
But first, we had to shut off the electricity.
Yes.
Always do that first. And then take your little checker.
No electricity.
No electricity. Because it could be surprising
Yeah.
when it's left on.
It was surprising once.
Yes. We've done it once.
Once. So this is where I have to cut. So before I cut, I'm going to put a I'm going to put these other blocks like this over here. So I've got to remove this and cut it some more. So we'll come back when that's done.
Okay. Okay.
So I have the other blocking up now, and I have this marked out and level, and now I'm going to cut a hole in the Shabin.
Which is a big deal.
It is a big deal.
It's
There ain't
always
no
a big
going back.
I'm sorry. What'd you call that?
A sniper hole.
What?
Oh yeah. And squirrels don't stand a chance.
I just want to let everybody know that I have never seen Jan shoot a squirrel. So, nobody get upset. We have shot other things, but not a squirrel.
That's right. That is true.
Actually, we feed our squirrels, don't we? When we can, every once in a while.
We do.
Okay, you're on.
So we had to put additional blocking up in here and here. So when we put the cement board up and the sheetrock up, we had something to screw into. Because otherwise the sheetrock would end right here and there'd be nothing there to screw into. So put additional blocking in, taped up all the holes, taped around. Had to move this plug from here to here, taped around it, taped all this up. We're going to put some Reflexis insulation right here and then tape this up. And then we're ready to mount or put our cement board up and then mount our vent. I didn't know you were right there. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm about to put this trim up out here. Scared me.
Did I startle you?
A little bit, yeah. Now,
Is your tape measure like in here?
no, it's on the porch, but I think this is it. Yeah, let me go take a picture.
I can get it and hand it to you. There's a hole in the wall.
All right, yeah, okay. It's on the bridge.
Okay.
Thank you.
Look how helpful I am.
So helpful. You want to know something? It's perfect.
Always.
It's perfect. I don't have to move it. Jack, cracker Jack, what are you doing, Jack? Is my square over there on that TV tray? No, it's on the bridge. Can you grab me my square?
Sure.
Thank you.
Here I am being helpful again.
Is that why you do it? Just so you can appear helpful?
Yeah.
Cool. You know, it's good to have a goal.
Yeah.
Oh, that's too short.
I'm not always the cameraman.
Yeah, sometimes you're the hand me woman. Hand me stuff.
Oh, that kind of hand me.
Oh, not the handmaiden. Nah.
Oh. She's back.
I'm back. Darn it. Got it. There's a bag of silver screws on the little table next to my chair. Can you grab that? Thank you. Watch out, the paint, it's wet. Oh, shit.
This is the easiest helping I've ever done.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Here comes the vent.
What are you doing? Peeking through the vent?
Just showing everybody our vent. Yay! So the cardboard is cut around the vent and up over the vapor barrier. And if anybody's wondering why we use this cardboard, there's several reasons. We have a bunch of it.
Yeah.
It was free.
Yeah.
A little extra insulation.
Yep.
And because of the way we have to kind of build around everything, it keeps us from punching holes into the vapor barrier.
And
So,
it just looks better than
yeah,
that.
than that. Because we're kind of, well, if you've watched the videos, we had the movers and we got stuff in here, and so we do the best we can. And it keeps us from popping holes or splashing water or grease or, I don't know, just, it helps.
It does.
And these are pieces of cardboard that went on pallets
From a chicken house.
from a chicken house. No, they didn't have chickens on them.
They were clean.
They were clean when we got them. But they have come in very handy. I mean, we have cut and used them for just about everything. This is the cement board.
Yep.
That is going up behind the stove. We have quite a bit of it. Enough to make us happy.
Now I just have to wire the electrical. And then we can turn it on.
Is that our vent fan? Oh,
Low. And that's high.
OMG. Let me go find a light bulb. OMG. Fan. Light. Ta-da!
I just wonder if the fan is opening that thing back there. Because I can't see it from here. Oh yeah.
Everybody's happy.